The purpose of on-time catering is to create the easiest, smartest, and most intuitive workflow possible to save time for everyone involved and avoid mix-ups. This is the Catering Manager, and from here you can control everything about your canteen. So let me just give you a quick visual walkthrough of this view. If we start in the top, here you can see which canteen you're currently managing with a drop-down menu, which is explained much further in other videos. You have the question mark, which will bring you to a YouTube playlist with Catering Manager tutorial videos. Then you have the settings, where you can change your language and date time format, and where you can see which version of OnTime you're running. And lastly, you have your business card. Underneath this, you have the area where you're going to be managing the orders from. The workflow is separated into 5 steps: approve, deliver, adjust, bill, and completed. I have a few orders in my Catering Manager which I'm going to use to run through the steps. In the first step, you get order requests from people who are asking if you're able to deliver the things they need at the time and place they need them. In the top up here, I can see how many orders are awaiting my approval. So if I click on an order, I can see all the details of the order, which allows me to make a decision as to whether or not I can make the delivery. When I look at an order, I might say that it is not possible to deliver, or that it looks like the person has typed in something wrong. So I might just decline this order, and what I can then do is I can give them a reason. So I'm just going to write, "We can't deliver because," and then click OK. This sends the order back to the person ordering, who can then just change the order to something the canteen can't deliver, and the canteen then only has to accept the order. If I look at a different order, I can see that this is for 3 sandwiches and coffees to be picked up, which is something we can't deliver, so I'm going to approve this order, which means that the order moves on to the next step. The second step is delivery. Here I have an overview of all the orders that I have accepted, spread out on the different days that they're for. This makes it possible for me to easily get an overview of what I need to do and when I need to do it. Up here, I can choose what time frame I want to look at if I, for example, want to see how many orders we have the last week of June. By clicking on the orders, I get the details on the right, and when the catering order has been delivered, I can just click Served. And the order then moves on to the next step, which is Adjust. When the order has been served, it is possible to adjust it. The purpose of this is to allow the canteen to take some things back. This would be things such as an unopened Coke or a water bottle, things that the canteen believes that they can take back and reuse without any problems. The order will only appear here if it has things in the order which are set to be adjustable. These things can be seen on the right written in green, and I can then edit the order to say they used 2 regular Cokes and a Diet Coke less than expected. This both means that the company saves money and that there's less waste. After the order has been served and possibly adjusted, it is time to bill the catering orders. So what you can do here is select a cutoff date, and it will give you all the orders from before that date which haven't been billed yet. So I can then click Export All as CSV file and then change their status to exported. This gives me the information that I need to send off in a document, and the orders have then moved on to the final step, Completed. In the completed view, I can see all the orders that have been completed, and I can also go back and select a specific time frame. This could be if I was looking for a specific order a while back, and it will basically just make that easier for me. If I don't want to see the orders in steps, I can also just go up and click All Orders. This gives me an overview of all orders regardless of their status, and I can then filter in them in different ways, selecting a time frame and choosing a specific status. I can also export orders from here, which could be useful if I need to get an overview of how many sandwiches we need to deliver on a certain day. This allows you to go beyond the Catering Manager when you're planning and coordinating in your canteen. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and visit our YouTube channel for more videos like it. You can also visit our website for more information and to try it out yourself.